how to add device care widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see, click on wallpaper and style. Wallpaper and style is here, so click on wallpaper and style. Now here, so click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, click on widgets. So if you want to add device care widget to lock screen, scroll down and you will see device care is here, so click on device care. So if you want to add device care widget, so click on device care widget. After click on device care widget, click on done. So you will see device care widget is add on lock screen. So after the process, click on done, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add device care widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.